Hey, Coach Greg here with Swell Training, and today I have 4 compound exercises for full body fat burning. That is a tongue twister, but hey, these exercises are going to be great if you're looking to burn some fat, but don't have time to isolate different muscle groups. This will be a full body workout, completely standing, so grab some water, grab a friend, and let's have some fun. All right, we're gonna be doing 3 sets. First set, I'll be more explaining and demonstrating the exercises while you follow along, and then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all of them. So let's get started with our first full body fat burning exercise. Okay, so we're gonna start off strong with some shoulder press to foot taps. You're like, what does that mean, Coach Greg? Don't worry, I got you. So think of a step jack. You know, we're just coming out to the side, stepping out like this, but instead of the overhead arm action, we're just gonna be focusing on this lower body movement right here, but then at the same time, we are gonna be shoulder pressing. So get your arms in a position 90-degree angle. You can have them a little 45-degree angle in if need be. Maybe you have some rotator cuff issues, but all we're gonna do is as we're stepping out, we are pressing up at the same time, just like that. So 30 seconds, 3, 2, and go. Be nice and stable with your base and try to pick a tempo and stick with it. You don't have to be like, super fast, but see if you can keep that cadence or that rhythm going and really press up as you go. I like to keep my knees slightly bent so that I'm able to adjust quickly. Just like that, a couple more seconds. Really press. Your shoulders, your arms, your back should be on fire. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Whew. That was tough already, but we are not done yet. Exercise number 2, we have some lunge to knee ups. We are just getting started, my friend. All right, here we go. Get yourself in a nice stable position. We're gonna be focusing on getting ourselves backwards, like stepping backwards into a lunge. And then as we bring that foot back, we're going bam, right up into a knee up, setting it down, doing the opposite side. Bam, another knee up, baby. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. So step back, knee, step, knee. Now you can do whatever type of lunge you feel comfortable with. Sometimes I like overextend because that's just, my foot goes too far back, I end up here, but that's okay. We're just gonna stretch all up in here, then boom, bring that knee up. It's gonna help you crunch, just like this. And if you need to hold on to something, feel free, bam, just like that, bam. Couple more seconds. 1 more, and great job. All right, next we have some windmills. I like to, not depending on your flexibility, some people are able to stand with their feet right here and boom, reach down. I cannot. Some people like it super wide. Some people, I'm gonna just try a nice medium ground right now. Watch your pose, your pose. Your toes pointed forward, arms in a T, and we're just gonna alternate between reaching down to tap the inside of our foot as this other arm goes up, coming right back up, just like that. So 30 seconds, and here we go. So we're gonna reach. I like to, it's almost as if you're doing a deadlift. You wanna extend, hinge from your hip to extend back to give you the ability to reach for your toes. So like, unless you need to like bend your knees, feel free to do that. But the goal really is to keep our legs as straight as we can as we're coming down. Just like that. And again, sometimes going a little wider is a little easier compared to this where you're like, can't even reach. So let's do 1 more each side. And done. Great job. Last but not least, we have some squat twists. These are my favorite because they're so sneaky. They're a leg exercise, but also works at your abs. So here we go, feet shoulder width apart, slightly pointed out. We're gonna drop into a squat, and then we're gonna twist from either side in 3, 2, and 1. So squat, and then as we come up, we're putting our arms up like this, but to the side. So bam, we're trying to get this back arm to reach as far as we can. Coming back to the middle, dropping to a squat, and then doing the opposite side, just like that. So really open up, your arms, palms up, just like that. Now, whatever variation of squat that you want, just a quarter squat. If you want to do a full, bam, do that. Really helps you spring up. Let's do 1 more. And done. There you have it. That is your 4 compound exercises for full body fat burning. I'm already tired. I'm gonna grab some water, and you should too. Oh yeah, we're feeling the fat burning effects already. We're not done. We got 2 more sets to go. You know exactly what you're doing now. I'm gonna stop talking as much and you're gonna start doing more. So here we go with set number 2. Shoulder press and foot taps in 3, 2, and 1. Lunge and knee ups in 3, 2, and 1. Windmills in 3, 2, and 1. Squat twist in 3, 2, and 1. Great job, second set done and dusted. 1 more to go. Grab a beverage of choice, you earned it. Here we go. Last set, best set. Don't even think about it. You already came this far. What's a couple more minutes, huh? That's right. Here we go, starting now. Shoulder press and foot taps in 3, 2, and 1. Lunge and knee ups in 3, 2, and 1. Windmills in 3, 2, and 1. Squat twist in 3, 2, and 1. There you have it. That was your 4 compound exercises for full body fat burning. I hope you loved it as much as I did. I definitely am tired. But if you want to do more sets, go ahead. Feel free, Speed Racer. I believe in you. And if you like these type of videos, go ahead and leave a comment. Let us know what you think. What you don't like, what you like. Also, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. I'm Coach Greg. I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.